Hi guys, good morning. This video was taken a few months ago during early spring. So this is how our front garden looks like in front of the main door. So ganyan ang itsura niya, ganyan ang style niya. And this year we decided to improve it na alisin lahat ng halaman, transfer some of the plants sa mga paso or sa ibang place ng yard para mas gawing maluwag patas and makapag-barbecue dyan sa harap. Yun lang.
Good morning, guys! So, today is Sunday. We woke up early pero we started late. So, anyways, we are do front yard patio, whatever you wanna call it. So, ito na, hindi ko na, like, I didn't video kung paano natin ito ginawa, pero ito na siya. Binungkal ni Mario lahat ng mga stones na yan na nakabaon sa lupa. And ipinantay lang dito. We're gonna create a bench here, pa L shape. And yung dati may-ari nag-iwan niya. So, we're gonna transfer this plant doon. Yun. So, unti-unti, we're making it work. And madami pa kami mga stones doon. So, yun lang. So, ito na guys. So, na-i-transfer na namin yung mga halaman dito. Dito. Yan. So, this is a perennial plant na mulaklak na siya. So, hindi na siya mamumulaklak for the rest of the year. But, I'm happy na nandito na siya. And then, yung iba nandito. So, halos walang nasayang talaga. Konti lang. And then, yung gumamela ko, ito, this is a fighter. So, nakita ko, meron siyang konting kulay green. Nasa na yun? Ay, nawala. So, anyways, this is a fighter. So, hopefully, masave natin siya. Napabayaan ko kasi. So, sana lumaban. So, kailangan lang talagang diligan. But, yeah. So, this is it. Kailangan lang siya diligan araw-araw. And then, yun lang guys.